Hey everybody, Tommy with Seattle Boat Company here, and behind me we've got the new flagship, Malibu's M242. This does replace the M240, the new evolution of the M series. You've got new gel lines, new schematics, but still the awesome wave behind the boat. Let's go check it out. So along the side of the boat, you've got pull-out cleats, fender clip receptacles, you've got your navigation lights, you've got your vents for the ballast tanks, you've got your tower speakers, you've got your board racks, fuel fills on both sides. Behind the boat is where the action really starts to get fun. You've got your flip down swim step right here, so you can flip this down into the water, gives you nice, easy access in and out of the boat. Underneath the swim platform, you've got Power Wedge 3, your surf pipe exhaust, stern turn, as well as fusion surf gate. So this surf gate is more integrated into the boat, gives it just a different styling aspect rather than having the gates actually on the side, and deploys out at a predetermined speed to give you your surf wave on either the port or starboard side of the boat. 2 cup holders here on the swim platform in case you need to store beverage down here. You got your big D-rings for tie down points. Engine flush system is located right here. Just make sure this cap is tight and secure. If this is loose, the engine cooling system isn't gonna work correctly, and you don't want that out on the water. Backup camera here in the middle, and you just have a nice grab bar as well getting in and out when you're utilizing the swim step. Now let's jump into the boat and check out all the cool features inside. So as you're entering into the M242, you've got a great lounge here on the transom. You do have seat cushions back here that lift up. You've got some storage trays and everything like that back here. You also have your seat back, your backrest. These lift up. Gives you just a comfortable seating position to hang out back here, but it also has a flip up, so if you are up here on the sun pad, you have a nice backrest right here now as well. Sun pad, like I just mentioned, but you have plenty of storage in here as well. Board storage right here in the back. And then over on the starboard side, you do have your shower control right here. And then your shower is just right here off the transom. Ski pylon right in the middle. You just pull that up and lock it into place and push it right back down. Then if you're hanging out back here, you do have a transom remote for your stereo system, so you can play with the music and your track and everything like that back there. As you're coming into the M242, you've got flip down entry and exit steps on both sides. Gives you a hard surface to step on. Not only that, your center seat cushion down here also removes, gives you a hard spot to step getting in and out of the boat. Plenty of storage as well, so you've got hinged cushions here on the starboard and port side. With the Mister system that's on board this boat, you do have your water box right here for that. Plenty of cup holders throughout, phone holders, charging both USB and 12 volt as well. Seat cushion right here. Now this is a flip up seat, so it can lock in multiple positions. If you lift it all the way up, then you'll be able to actually fold it all the way down. Your observer seat right here, really nice addition of an armrest. Just pull out the little handle right here. Sits up, and then you have a nice armrest. Putting it back down, just pull out the little handle here at the bottom. That way you can push this right down, and then it locks into place. The observer seat bottom right here does come all the way out. That way you can get all the way in to your storage here on the port side. So here we've got the nice little Natalie seat as you come up into the bow. Easy way to kind of just get in and out of the bow if you want to leave this in place. Just pull it straight forward, and you can just tilt it down, just like so. Or if you want to remove it completely, just pull this out, and then just store it in the back of the boat. Armrests up here so you can rest and lounge and hang out. Your seat backs lift up as well. This one just has a little storage area. This one gives you access right in to the observer's area, right in here. Lifting up the cushions, you've got a little bit of storage on each side. The unique thing about the port side cushion right here, when you lift that guy up, you actually have your filler cushion for the center right here. So I can pop this cushion up and out of the way. Then I can grab this, flip it all the way over. Now I have my nice filler cushion right in the middle. So here we are at the helm of the M242. You've got great digital display giving you all the information that you need. Kind of got your auxiliary screen here on the port side for your stereo, your lights, heater, that sort of thing. Your main screen for all your boat controls, filling up the ballast, changing your wedge, things like that. You have your sport rotary knob here to the right, helps control volume quickly and easily, surf gate quickly and easily, and then also wedge. I've got my helm power seat up and down, and then I've got stern turn right here on my throttle. Thanks for checking out Malibu's M242 with me today. We'll see you out on the water.